In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google reviews into your Wix website to make the most of customer feedback and strengthen your online presence. This simple yet effective process will help you showcase your business's credibility and inspire potential customers by displaying reviews directly on your site. Let's dive into the Wix editor and start enhancing your website. When you first open the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a selection of icons, and we're going to focus on the one labeled App Market. Go ahead and click on it. The Wix App Market is a treasure trove of utilities and enhancements, but today we're on a mission to find the perfect app for showcasing Google reviews. In the search bar at the top, type in Google Reviews widget. You'll see several options pop up, but look for the one that best suits your design and functional needs. Once you've identified it, click the Add button. This action will install the widget on your website. But our journey doesn't end here. Adding the widget is just the beginning. Now it's time to connect the widget with your Google My Business account. This step is crucial because it's how you'll pull in the real-time data that reflects what customers are saying about your business. To do this, follow the prompts to authorize and link your Google My Business account with the widget. Don't worry, this process is straightforward, and the widget will guide you through each step. With the connection established, it's time to get creative with customization. You have a range of options to tailor how your Google reviews are displayed on your website. Consider factors like layout, font, and colors to ensure the widget complements your site's overall aesthetic. This customization not only makes your reviews eye-catching, but also keeps the design in harmony with the rest of your content. Once satisfied with the customization, it's important to give your website a once-over to make sure everything looks just right. Check for mobile and desktop compatibility, as the last thing you want is for your reviews to display incorrectly to potential clients on different devices. Finally, it's time to take your updates live. Hit that Publish button and voila! Your Google Reviews widget is now visible on your Wix website, ready to engage visitors and instill confidence in your brand. And there you have it. A straightforward way to bring the authentic voices of your customers right into the heart of your website. By adding this widget, you're not just showcasing feedback, you're also making a statement about your transparency and commitment to quality service. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and happy website building.